Laura plans to paint the 8-foot high rectangular walls of her room. And before she buys paint, she needs to know the area of the wall surface to be painted. 2 walls are 10 feet wide, and the other 2 walls are 15 feet wide. The combined area of the one window and the one door in her room is 60 square feet. What is the area in square feet of the wall surface Laura plans to paint? You can pause the video now and try to work this one on your own. So we know the height of all of her walls. They're all 8 feet high. So on the opposite set of walls here, we've got an 8-foot height. And we know the first set is 10 feet wide. So those walls are going to have 80 square feet in those. And there are 2 of these. Now the other wall, again, is 8 feet tall, but its width is 15 feet. So we would do 8 times 15, which is 120 feet. And there are 2 walls like that. So how much area are in these 4 walls combined? Well, we would just add 120 plus 120 plus 80 plus 80. So that's 240 plus 160, which is 400 square feet. So if she was painting all of this area, she would need 400 square feet of paint. But the one thing we know is there is a door in one of these walls, and there's a window in another one of the walls. And we know in that one window and that one door, that takes up 60 square feet. So that means there's 60 square feet that do not need to be painted. So out of this total 400 square feet, we can take out 60 of it because we don't have to paint the door or the window, which means there are only 340 square feet available for us to paint, which means the correct answer here would be the letter B, 340.